In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video ad using match and move feature in Canva, which is very simple. So just open video, make sure you choose the landscape form and add your image to the canvas. Now head to elements and then search for real plane, then add that image to the canvas as well. Rotate it to 90 degrees and scale it. So when you're scaling, you can press Alt key on the keyboard. Just press and hold Alt key and then scale one side. That will scale it from the middle. So head to elements to add shape to the plane. So we are covering the head and the wings of the plane, so scale it to cover the wings and the head. So when you're done, make sure to group all of it. So after grouping it, select the plane, go to position and move the plane forward. So expand the group that you created and then move the plane from the last part to the beginning of the group. So move it to the back. So we don't want the plane to show at all, so you move it to the left side for only the shape to show. So duplicate the background and duplicate the plane as well. So we are adding our text that we want to show before the animation starts. So now we are adding the last part of the video. That is an image where the transition will move to. So we are making this image as the background. And make sure to add the same image again, because we want to remove the background of the second image and then use this image as an overlay for the background. So make sure it aligns perfectly with the element in the background image. So the next thing we have to do is to add the text. So we want this image to be at the back of, we want the text to be at the back of the second image. That is the overlay. So we move it to the back of the image. So now you can see that the text is at the back. And what we need to do is to add an animation to it. So the animation, we want the text to pop from the back of the image. So decrease the duration a little bit to get that perfect effect you want. Here we are adding our animation, that is the match and move. So the next thing we have to do is to move the second copy of the plane forward in the picture. And the next thing is to animate the text as well. So you can choose any animation you want over there. Now let's check what we've done. I think we've got the animation for the plane, but the speed is too much, so we have to tweak it a little bit to get that smooth animation we want. I think the animation we have now is better than the previous one, so we will take this one. So basically, this is how to create a short video ad in Canva. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like for more.